Alright guys, we're back. Part 2 of shooting BB guns and bows. That's right, it's part 2 guys. And as you see, I stopped the video. I'm stupid, I stopped the video right before we got to show you where we hit and stuff. So just make sure that you watch part 1 first. Because, no, actually you don't have to, we're just shooting BB guns. Anyways, well I'm going to show you what we did. Is this the right side that we shot? Yeah. Okay. You shot right there. Them are all my shots. I'm shooting one-handed, okay? Alright, so we're gonna finish. I'm gonna set up I'm gonna stand this. Alright guys, we're back. As you see, our target is right here. I hope you guys can see it good enough. I'm going to zoom in the camera just in case you can't.
And I got a 20 gauge.
Alright guys, we're back.
Tell them it was my birthday.
No.
Yeah.
Alright, well anyways.
Hey. Is it loaded?
Nope.
Pop. Should have had my 20 gauge. Here.
Alright, here. He's going to shoot first.
Let's go back. Make it a little challenge.
No, we're shooting back. Alright, I'm shooting the bow now.
Oh, just a little over. Want me to take my last shot?
Alright. I just shot one.
Last shot. Missed again. Your turn to take the bow. Here. Go get yours.
Okay guys, I wasn't even paying attention where I hit. So we're not even gonna stop and come watch it. You missed both shots as you saw. And where's yours?
Underground, you gotta look. There's one right there.
Oh,
I might have lost the other one. Please tell me I did not.
just to let you know, this was a little small, so if I don't hit it, that's good. That's good. Why?
Okay.
We may have to watch this. We may have to stop it, watch it from here, and make a part 3 because of.
Oh, found it.
Found it? How can you even see that?
I saw the knot.
Alright guys, my time to shoot the bow. You can tell the difference. I bet.
Hey, how about we make a hunting video?
Yeah, good idea. We'll make one after this maybe?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect weather. Move out of my way, please. Alright guys.
We're only shooting once.
Now, I haven't got used to these sights. You don't even have it.
No, you don't use it. Just use the arrow. See? I said to use the arrow. Look what you did.
I did use it. Cock, and I'll load up. Guys, don't forget to watch our hunting video after this, because we're making one after this.
3 videos in the same day.
I've hit twice. He's missed every single one.
Nope.
I've hit every single one I shot.
No, I hit every single
Yeah,
one.
knock that right at your target. So that means.